My Fabric trial workspace, and I want to filter all of my data warehouses to see my data warehouse API. Going to it, I'll show you guys here what we have in the data warehouse environment. We have the data warehouse and also the queries. I have my saved queries and the queries that I might use it someday. So looking into my schemas, I have my Fabric data warehouse schema. And then in the tables, I have my API table with the list of all the data that I have in this table. So looking at the queries, saved queries that I have one for cloning. The first one is to clone the table that I currently have with the same schema in the front of it. So as you guys can see here, it's a simple query where you create a table as a clone of, and then using the same Fabric schema. If I wanted to create a clone with a different schema, I could. I just need to change the schema in front of the table. If I run this here, as you guys can see, it was a success. And now I just need to refresh my data warehouse API data warehouse here and loading. And now I have a clone of my API data of my API table. Whatever happens to the first one, it will not happen. Whatever changes on the first table, it won't change on the second one because they are clones now.